We are going to take 2 items off of that board right there and bake them into brownies.
Alright, so today...
Happy day after Thanksgiving!
It is the day after Thanksgiving. Justin interrupted what I was going to say, but I actually like what he did, so I'll let it slide. Not a big deal.
Cool.
As you noticed, Meg is back with us, and I just dropped something on the floor. Hi, Meg!
Hello.
Yay! Apparently I think she's just gonna be in all the holiday themed videos with us, it seems like. She was in Halloween, as you guys remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this, and then food, maybe just food related.
Definitely food related.
Food or costume, anything she does.
Yeah,
she'll be.
Food related, she will be in everything. So what are we gonna do today, Justin?
Today we are going to rank the best Thanksgiving leftovers. We have a list of 10 Thanksgiving leftovers.
And we're gonna have a discussion about which are the best.
Yeah.
Let's be serious, we all know stuffing will win. Moving on. Okay, so
I have a crappy looking box here.
Where did that come from?
alright, so Justin's gonna pick a Thanksgiving leftover from the box and then we shall discuss where to start it in the rank.
We have green bean casserole.
Wait,
Wait, what?
At least?
No, okay, actually no. I'll give it like a 6 because I'll give it a 5.
As a child, I hated this, but as an adult, it's probably top 2.
I'll compromise with you. I'll go 4. We'll start it at 4.
Let's start at 4. We might have
We'll
to
start it at 4.
I'll allow this.
I do
We'll
like
start
green
it at
beans.
4.
I just don't know that I like the casserole form
Those
of green
crunchy
beans.
onions,
That's kind of.
I love how you just taped it like that.
This is how you tape it, not his barbaric style, which we'll discuss later.
We'll discuss that later. Okay.
This is a touchy subject.
It is very touchy.
I don't want no part.
Very touchy. All right. Cranberry sauce.
Are we talking
10.
canned or?
100% canned.
Okay, I'll go.
Canned is the best cranberry sauce.
I agree.
Is the best.
Oh my god, yes.
First of all, I don't like cranberry sauce. I can't judge
Oh,
10 for
alright.
me.
So
I'm gonna have to go 5.
5.
I'm not putting that above green beans.
You know what?
Alright.
It's fair enough because you probably don't know what's all in the box.
let's go 6. Let's go
It's true, I have
6.
no idea.
Let's just go 6 because you want 10, which is the second time you've said 10. We're just gonna throw that out there.
Do you even like Thanksgiving?
To be clear, I'm not crazy with Thanksgiving themed food, so I guess it's why. But cranberry sauce is like the least.
Oh,
no.
Here we go.
Stuffing.
Stuffing.
One.
So, box stuffing or homemade
Yeah,
stuffing?
homemade or box?
Either.
And then what?
Either
I'll
or.
take all.
Is it cornbread stuffing?
I'm saying 3.
What? Could
2.
you possibly
Go
be
2.
saving 1?
Just go for 2. Sick it as 2.
I'm gonna give them 2 for now, but it's gonna end up being 1.
We get to shift all this. It's not like it's not set in stone.
I just don't like how low it's ranking right now.
It's 2!
It's number 2.
It's too
Earning your pride.
All right, here we go. We got turkey, the main event
I feel like that
of Thanksgiving.
should be 1, but
What do you mean? What face was that? Are we having a Thanksgiving
I'm not a
leftover
turkey girl.
discussion?
I'm not gonna lie.
And you're-
I'm not a turkey girl.
White meat
but
or
I
dark
do know
meat?
most people know about turkey. Oh, white or dark meat.
yeah,
does
it's
make a
very.
difference.
There's so many subcategories we can get into. With
What are we
this
talking
meal.
about here? I would put this at an 8 for me.
An
I'm
8?
not crazy about turkey, like the meat product. I don't know why.
So basically, you like bread and innards.
Innards.
Oh yeah, stuffing has gizzards and stuff.
No,
like
It
that.
doesn't have to. Not everyone makes
The
stuffing
best
like that.
stuffing has
Okay,
innards
pump
in
your
it.
brakes. Not all stuffing has innards in it.
Thank you. Most don't. I don't know where.
Well, then you're not doing it right.
That's the other thing. There could be so many subcategories to
How about
stuffing.
3? Because for the world, it's a 3, maybe a 1. What does that mean?
What do you eat? What do you eat the most the day after Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey, because there's always a lot of
So,
turkey left
but there's
over.
always more turkey. Throw turkey as number 1.
I'm team green bean casserole over here. I want a t-shirt.
Corn.
Corn.
Just straight up corn.
3. I love corn.
You have the
I
weirdest
love
listings
corn.
already.
Oh my god, corn is so good. It's so like my favorite. I love corn. I'm obsessed.
I agree. Corn is very good.
3.
Corn on the cob, regular corn is fine. I'm thinking of its placement above green bean casserole.
I actually would probably
Feel
bump
like
this up and bring corn down a little. Like I do
I'll
think
agree with
green
that.
Okay,
I'll
3,
take
4.
that.
3, 4.
I'm working my way to the top.
All right.
Corn
you
is
got
so
corn
dang
there.
good. Love corn, especially on the cob.
Sweet
butter.
potato.
Like mashed
Oh,
potato.
So I was thinking,
I hate sweet
there's two,
I hate sweet potato.
but there's two versions of sweet potato. There's a sweet potato with like the marshmallows on top and stuff.
No, get that on monstrosity
Okay, so
out
just
here.
regular sweet potato? Yeah, I'm
sweet
good with the
potatoes.
Regular what? No, people usually at Thanksgiving make it with the marshmallows.
Yeah.
I've never had that served in our house.
No? I thought that was like the common. I don't eat it. I don't like sweet potato whatsoever. So that would be an automatic 10 for me.
Let's go 8. Are you okay with
I'm
8? There's
thinking
more
10.
things in here.
Yeah, okay. I don't know
Because
how
we're-
many things
we're
there
both-
is.
I feel like
Regular
I compromise
sweet
in
potato?
every single thing with
can
me.
do- we
like,
can do 8.
Can I get one that I
9.
put it at 10?
Yeah, you
10?
get stuffing.
Oh, that's true. Okay, I got stuffing. We're gonna move stuffing to 1 eventually. We're gonna
Okay,
get
alright. Throw it up there as 8.
Where are we going?
8.
I think the world is cringing right now with this list.
That's fine. Let the
This
world
is
cringe.
just-
Next we have gravy, and I say that should go number 1.
This handwritten gravy, afterthought. Just letting you guys know.
Afterthought.
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 That Justin didn't think of gravy until afterthought.
But now I want it to be number 1.
What is it? Like canned gravy or like
I don't care.
the drippings?
Megan
You
the
don't care?
canned stuff. Like,
Sorry, I'm curious because a lot of people take like a month preparing
Sure.
for this meal, and
I think gravy should be
not
number
that there's
1.
anything
It's
against
usually
canned
jarred.
stuff.
Let's be serious.
That's true,
usually
and it's
in the
good.
jar.
That's not
Good.
true. You can write
can do
off
packets.
the, yeah.
Yeah,
There's a
those
lot
are
of
good.
stuff.
I feel like I doubt that, but okay.
I still think gravy should be number 1.
The
When it's
juices.
made from the juices of the bird, gravy is next level.
We're not putting it.
Especially
It is
next day.
absolutely not 1. I will give you 4. I'll put corn down a little bit better. Even though I think corn is still better, but I'll compromise.
All right, I'll do 4. I'll stick with 4.
I think
I'm
there's
okay with
no
4.
way you're gonna put gravy above turkey and stuffing, even though I'm not a crazy turkey person.
All right, we have dinner rolls, or just bread, kind of in general, because dinner rolls.
Ooh.
Dinner rolls is up there.
I'm a bread girl. As you
Dinner
can tell
rolls
with
is
the
up
stuffing.
there. Yeah, definitely. With
I kind of feel like
stuffing.
that's the number 1 thing, man. What can you not do with dinner rolls?
It's true.
Yeah.
I think dinner rolls at the next day with some butter on. Oh, dude, I just like
And
some rolls
you
right
can
now.
take
Carbs
almost
in
all
my
of
life.
this stuff and stick it in a roll
Right
after.
in there.
True.
Like a little pita pod.
True, but does that mean these things have to move down? Because could you really?
Yeah, everything moves down.
Well, I mean, you can't. Rolls can't be number 1.
Why not?
I'm just saying. you need things to put the stuff.
No, you
in
can
the
just
roll.
have roll by
Roll
itself.
with butter.
I
You
100%
can
eat
have
rolls
that.
by
I
itself.
know you do, but you could have that any
Yeah,
other
but we're
day.
How about
We're
rolls is
talking
number
about-
2? Because turkey is really gonna be like the number 1.
Goes out of
Give me
5.
down, or else sweet potato.
We'll come right back.
I have no idea what we're doing here. I was a surprise guest.
Surprise guess.
Too much.
Surprise guess. Because there's more to come.
I'm good with this ranking so far. I think I can
Okay.
agree with it.
I'm not putting that rest of that video. All right, we got mashed potatoes. I think mashed potatoes and stuffing, it's really close tie for me.
But green bean casserole is like, so maybe move gravy. I would think gravy and put something like mashed potato like right here.
You want to move gravy down, so under green bean casserole?
Mashed potatoes, yeah. Mashed potatoes are kind of blah. Like, what's so special about them?
Without gravy, yeah, you're kind of right. I mean, you can put a lot of good stuff in there. Garlic, butter.
Mashed potatoes are so blah.
I like my mashed potatoes. I think they're
So where would you say, Meg, since Justin and I are so loud and we're going to drown you out?
Please continue.
like being at home with my siblings. It's great. I'd say mashed potatoes with a 5 or a 6.
So you would move gravy?
Yeah.
So above gravy?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
move gravy.
Yeah,
To 6.
Yes.
So mashed potatoes
I
is
see.
now
I see.
above gravy.
I agree with that.
Okay, we got this. All right. While she's doing that, we can start the discussion on our last one, ham. Some people don't think ham is for Thanksgiving.
It is not for Thanksgiving.
I think it's for Thanksgiving. It goes on Thanksgiving tables.
Nope.
Yes.
Ham is Christmas. Ham is Christmas.
You're just saying that because
Turkey's
Thanksgiving tries to take over, Christmas tries to take over Thanksgiving every year.
We're not going to start this conversation now. Do we want to be here all day?
No, but we will have this conversation again.
We're going to have to.
Eating up ham is a tricky.
Really? If you pan fry it, like a good piece of what?
See, I can do that with bologna. I don't know about ham.
I would put it at 10 just because of that. Not because it's not the best. I think it's better
Apparently, that's our ranking.
It's
It's 10
better.
because it's for Christmas, not Thanksgiving.
I'm gonna agree. I've never had ham for Thanksgiving.
I have had ham for Thanksgiving.
Ham is definitely a winter solstice.
All right, guys, so just kind of going down our list here, we have turkey, number 1, rolls, stuffing, green bean casserole, mashed potatoes, gravy, corn, cranberry sauce, sweet potato, and ham. Now, to pad our run times, we're gonna have a little competition. Megan is gonna be one of our judges coming up for this little challenge we're doing. We are going to take 2 items off of that board right there and bake them into brownies.
Because I'm not sure if the stuffing is gonna work out with the caramel, I'm gonna go ahead and also use rolls.
What's up, guys? All right, so Megan has left the house. She won't be back for quite some time, so I am making the brownies. So I bought, at the store, I picked up some brownie mix, some instant mashed potatoes, some sweet corn, and some brownie pans, because I don't want to have to do dishes afterwards. I'm gonna split this up into half and half. A nice chunk there. And this one just had it mixed all the way throughout.
Alright guys, we're back and we're about to do our brownie taste test challenge.
And I'm gonna win.
You genuinely think you're gonna win?
I have no idea. We put Thanksgiving leftovers in brownies.
I think I was the most, I feel like I'm gonna be the most creative in the way I handled it. Because one of the things that's really important to know is that with brownies, chocolate is a very overpowering flavor. So you really gotta know how to balance your Thanksgiving foods in there. Do you think you did that, Justin?
I have no idea what balance means.
But we'll find out soon when our judges get back. Alright guys, so brownies are on your table. We have brownie A and brownie B. You don't know who made what brownie, but time to try it out.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna start with, brownie A or
I
B?
mean, that's the alphabet.
Okay, alright, you guys can start with brownie A first. Now you don't have to guess what's in it, but you just gotta kind of see what your thoughts are on the overall flavors and you might need to pick up some of these and eat them that way if the spoon doesn't work.
Some of these are like caramelized to the top.
This is still warm. Air.
Is it?
You're not like
Megan's having a lot of trouble using a spoon.
This is actually not bad.
Yeah, actually, I was going to say, it's really not
It's
terrible.
really good.
No.
Chocolate and cranberry go pretty well together. And the fact that it's still warm and like
And
kind of
the-
gooey.
Yeah.
And the crunchiness from whatever, I'm assuming
top?
this is stuffing.
Caramel stuffing?
Alright, sounds good. Ready for brownie B?
Yeah.
Alright, brownie B.
This one's not hard to figure out what it is.
I mean, I don't know, it just fell.
It feels gross.
Yeah. it doesn't look great.
The bottom of it
small.
feels really gross.
I thought it was a blondie.
Okay, I'm sorry, I can't eat that.
Like,
Uh-oh.
I don't know what's
is
in
it a
it.
texture thing or like a flavor thing?
It's a flavor thing.
Okay.
Oh my god,
It
that's
tastes weird.
gross.
Is it really?
I don't think that's mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it's not good.
I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna eat this again because that was really good.
Yeah, I need to cleanse it out. With this one. So A won this one for me. Right in like.
I think you know what our answer is.
Okay, well we're gonna walk away, let you guys kind of discuss amongst
No, they don't have
yourselves.
to. They don't have to.
I mean,
They already talked about it in front of us.
Anything.
Alright, I guess we won't follow the rules. Alright, you guys ready to vote? Just hold up the cards then. A? A is my brownie. Bingo! Bingo, 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 bingo! Yeah. And we have I-30.
The last of the eyes.
Ooh, what's the challenge?
Egg roulette. Who gets the raw egg first?
Oh, alright guys, we're gonna come back with some egg roulette.
I spent a whole grueling like 5 minutes boiling almost all of these eggs. Megan then took them and rearranged them in the carton. So one of them is raw, and 11 of them are hard-boiled. Should be hard-boiled.
Should be
They were in the boiling water for 12 minutes. That's more than enough time to fully boil the egg.
Yeah, no, I agree.
So, are we gonna rock, paper, scissors, figure out who goes first?
Yeah, we'll rock, paper, scissors, and then the rule is whichever egg you grab, touch first is the one you have to take. Because sometimes you can tell the different weights and stuff, so that's your force the minute you take it. And Meg will be our judge. She's behind the camera to make sure that we don't cheat on that. So, hug, shake, walk. Just kidding.
Yeah, hug, shake, walk. Let's do it.
I don't even know if I remember how to do that. Let's just do rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes!
I am first.
I'm going to get prepared.
Hard boiled.
I just got my hair done not long ago, so we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that.
How well did I cook these? Oh, I cooked these perfectly.
You're gonna eat that right now? Ugh, hard boiled eggs always reek.
Oh, no, hard boiled.
Okay, next up. Nope, I'm not supposed to see how. You can't tell by looking at it, I don't think.
There's a couple of cracks in them.
Oh, got it, okay. Kidding me? On the first one? I just assumed no way on the first one that I would get it. So I went full steam ahead with the.
Oh god, I'm gonna get Liza cleaned up. I think that's the end for this episode.
Oh my god, there was no suspense at all. Just.
I could have sworn he was gonna grab that one because that's where we put it originally.